Welcome to the checkout guide. Today I will show you how to create collections in Shopify, including manual and automated collections. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, go to your Shopify admin dashboard, click on products and then select collections, then add collections. Now I am creating a manual collection. I enter the title as and add a description. Then I select manual collection. I click on add products. Go to the browser. Choose the required item. Product has been added. Now save the changes. You can view your online store. Here it is. Next, create another collection. Now I create an automated collection. I enter the title. Now give a description. Now select automated. Then choose the condition. And enter summer. Here we can see all the product has been added. If you want to add any images, you can add. See the changes. View on your online store. Here we can see the automated summer collections. Let's create another automated collections. Enter a title. Give a description. Select automated. Add the condition of the product. Here we can see product has been added. So see the changes. We can view on your online store. Here we can see the sale items. So this is how you can create manual and automated collections in Shopify. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment, share and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.